Hello everyone, Master Moss with another deck remake, and today I'm bringing back my Spellcounter deck. Made some new mods, some changes. Hopefully that'll make this deck run better. Been pitting this one up against a friend of mine who uses those spellbook decks, and been getting my butt handed to me. So hopefully this will beef up my defense as well as my offense. So here we go. Start off 2 Endymion, 1 Dark Magician. Used to have 2 Dark Magician Girl, Chaos Sorcerer, Chaos Command Magician, 2 Exemplar, 2 Magical Knight, 2 Breakers, obvious reason, 2 Skilled Dark Magician, 1 Mythical Beast of Cerberus. Truthfully, I've been thinking about taking this one out solely because when it attacks, all the spell counters it had goes away. So it's really a one-shot card. Don't really see much use for it. And 2 Summon a Monk, and 2 Frequency Magician, 1 Apprentice Magician. Been thinking about removing him as well. Got all these spells in his deck, might as well put something else in there. 1 Old Vindictive. Been thinking about putting another one in. And 1 Magician of Faith. That's it for them. For the spells, we got 2 Magical Citadel, 1 Secret Sanctuary to Spellcasters, 2 Bound 1, 3 Magical Dimension, 2 Spell Power Grasp, 2 Ancient Rules. Bring back the old days, you know. None of this sacrifice summoning. Just throw that down, like whip up Dark Magician or Endymion straight from the get-go. 1 MST, 1 Book of Moon, Swords, Terraforming, and Double Summon. For my traps, same old. Got 1 Gaga Shield, 2 Magician Circle, 1 Magic Cylinder, and 1 Call It Haunted. For my extra deck, run the Explosive Magician, the 2 Tempest Magician, Hierophant of Prophecy, 1 of him. I got Narito, the Moral Leader, Alchemic Magician, and a basic for every deck, a bit of a staple, Utopia. And that's it. That's all I got for right now. So probably make some more changes. Maybe take out that Mythical Beast and the Apprentice Magician. But I'll let you know later. This is Master Moss signing off.